Hi there, Chef Daina here with Ignite, and today is day 11 of our 12 Days of Christmas recipes. Today we have made a Christmas tree breadstick recipe, and it's great. All you have to do is rip off the breadsticks and enjoy. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a wonderful ornament margarita. Come back and check it out. Today we are going to be making a Christmas tree bread dipstick. I did it again. So let's get started. So I have already combined cream cheese, some Parmesan cheese, some spinach into this bowl, or you can buy the pre-made stuff at the store, whichever you choose. And I have taken a Pillsbury pizza, the Pillsbury pizza dough, the refrigerated section. I unrolled it, stretched it out to fit on my parchment paper here, and then I basically have cut it into triangles. So middle is going to be our Christmas tree, and then we will flip those sides over and make a top for it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spread this dip onto our tree, and you want to spread it on there pretty thin. You don't want it too thick. Otherwise, you're just it's not gonna be able to twist like you want it to. All right. So now we're going to take one of the sides that we had left over, and we're going to bring it up and drop it down on top here. And as it warms up, it kind of is really stretchy, so that's okay. And then the other side, do the same thing. So you want to kind of press together your center, because you want to have one solid sheet of dough on the top. And then kind of stretch it over the ends so it all is covered up. Okay, then we're going to take a pizza cutter and just cut slightly. You don't want to make too much of a cut because you want to leave your center. Now, let's make a little bit of a cut up here. Now we're going to take these and we're going to twist. So now that we have done all of our twists, we're going to brush the top with some herbs and melted butter. And then the very top, we're going to put some mozzarella cheese. That's going to be delicious. When you're brushing the butter and the herbs, make sure you get some of those herbs out of the butter dish, because that's what's going to make it delicious. All right, so now we have our butter. We're going to finish with our mozzarella cheese. And we'll bake this in the oven, and we'll see you soon.